Hey, what's up everyone? I want to hop on and do a quick video review of the air filter replacement for my Craftsman T110 riding lawnmower. Although I have a feeling this is probably not the only model of engine that this particular air filter fits. The reason why I picked this one up though is because it is a direct factory replacement, and I'll just show you how to replace the air filter, because it is probably a 5-minute job. Now, before we put it in though, I want to show you that it's a paper regular air filter like you've seen all other air filters probably ever, but they do give you this added little foam filter on the top to pick up and filter out all of those fine dust particles so they don't actually make their way through the paper and into the engine. Now, to actually do the replacement itself, it is beyond simple. Basically, you're going to see there's two little, right behind the hood, you'll see there's these two little screws here. Basically, they pop off. You put them both into the unlock position, and the whole cover lifts off, and then your air filter is right there. Then what you got to do is you're actually going to work the air filter off. Now make sure there's a lip here so you can't come straight. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of lift up, and it's going to pop right off. And you'll also see that this kind of has a little indent for the new filter as well. As you can see, this one has seen a couple of seasons. I think this might be 2 seasons. Although from now on, I'm going to replace it for every season. Now, the new one is a direct fit replacement, so you're just going to basically make sure it kind of fits into that hole, and then give it a little push on there, and then you're done. You're set up. Now all my air filters ready for the next season. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.